Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass Discord phone number verification, right? So it's very easy. If you want to change your phone number over the Discord, or if you're trying to verify your number for a first user, there could be many reasons, right? So if you just want to change it, just follow my steps carefully. Just go to this website, which is called quicker.io, right? I will close this app, right? And you will find so many numbers, right? Okay, so I'll just select any of the number here, right? Let's say I will just take this number. I will copy this number, right? And I will just paste it here. Well, basically this is a country code, so you have to add it from here. So I will just add from here, right? I'll select a country code here and I will just paste the number, right? And I will just click on send. Once you click on send, you will get a notification here, right? And once you can just copy this code and you can paste it over your Discord, right? And after that, your phone number will get verified. So this is the way. Sometimes it doesn't work out because this is a completely a spam number, right? So you can just try other numbers, and if you're lucky, you will get a notification here of the code, and after that it will work out. You can just go and visit different websites, because there are so many websites just like it. But this is the only way where you can verify with a different number, or if you don't want to use your personal number, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.